Good morning. Tuesday, another wet and miserable morning, but today we are here to replace these very old gates that have seen better days. The posts went in a few weeks ago. We put oak posts in behind these pillars because they're not really strong enough to support the weight of the new gate, so we put in these big solid 7x7 oak posts, and then in the back of the van we're going to be fitting a lovely pair of Lulworth gates, and there's a single gate there as well. A single gate is going at the other end of the garden. About finishes this little project this morning. That's the little gate finished. If you like what you see, please do follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our channel on Instagram for more videos, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Looks like we just missed the rain. It's just starting to come down now hard.